Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Honestly, wherever you are in the world right now, we are so happy you are here.
Yes, and I need to tell you something. I almost did not make it here today. I looked at my phone this morning, and I had 17 unread messages. 17!
17? Oh, what is Okay, before we start today, if this is your first time watching us, welcome! This channel is called Dear English Podcast. We make short, friendly English videos for learners just like you. If you are enjoying this already, please click the like button right now. It truly helps us so much. And hit subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We post new content every week, and we would love to have you in our community.
Yes, please.
So here is the challenge. Every day for 7 days, we are going to practice English together. Simple conversations, real vocabulary. And today, day 1, we are starting with something very important. Your morning routine.
My morning routine. Okay, I like this topic. I have opinions about mornings.
You always have opinions about mornings. So tell me, what do you do first thing in the morning?
Okay, honestly, first I open my eyes. Then I close them again. Then I open them one more time, and I say to myself, Paul, get up. It is time.
Maybe is a start. Now, let me ask you something. What is one word to describe your morning today?
One word. I would say rushed. I felt rushed this morning. Everything was fast. I could not find my jacket. I forgot my bag. I was rushing.
Rushed. I love this word. Do you know this word? Rushed means you are moving very fast because you do not have enough time. You feel pressure. You feel stress. You are rushing.
Yes, exactly. Rushed. That is my morning. Every morning.
And my word for this morning? Calm. I felt calm. I woke up, I had my water, I made my bed.
You made your bed? In the morning?
Okay, learners, let's do our vocabulary review now. These are the key words from today.
Let's go!
Number 1, routine. A routine is something you do every day in the same order. My morning routine. Your morning routine.
Routine. The things you do every morning. That is your routine.
Number 2, rushed. Rushed means you are moving fast because you have no time. I felt rushed this morning. Rushed. Fast. No time. Stressed. That one I know very well. Number 3, calm. Calm is the opposite of rushed. Calm means relaxed, slow, peaceful. I felt calm this morning. Calm. I would like to feel calm one day. And that is day 1 of the English Fluency Challenge. You did it. You practiced real English today. Vocabulary, conversation, listening. You should feel very proud.
Seriously, you showed up today. That is the most important step.
Now, here is your question of the day. We want you to write your answer in the comments below. Ready?
Ready.
The question is, what is one word to describe your morning today?
You can write something like, my morning was rushed, or my morning was calm, or my morning was perfect.
Write it below. We read every single comment. We will reply to you.
And if you enjoyed today,